This video will discuss the stomach in bovine. Hello everyone, this is Shireen Hafiz and I have here a plastinated stomach, bovine stomach. Let's get oriented first. This is cranial, this is caudal, this is left, the other side is right. That means the head of the animal is this way. So starting with the entrance, this is the entrance of the esophagus. So that here would be the cardiac sphincter, and then we get into the rumen. This is all rumen. The rumen is divided into sections by grooves. So this is your left longitudinal groove, and then on the other side, on the right side, this is your right longitudinal groove. The right longitudinal groove has a right accessory groove, and from the inside that section between the right longitudinal groove and right accessory, from the inside is the ruminal insula. We'll go back to the left side. The left longitudinal groove also has a left accessory groove, but it doesn't make anything. So the left and right longitudinal groove, along with the cranial groove and the caudal groove, divide the rumen into a dorsal ruminal sac and a ventral ruminal sac. The most cranial part of the dorsal ruminal sac is ruminal atrium, and the most cranial part of the ventral ruminal sac is ruminal recess. The caudal part is divided by coronary grooves. So you have your left dorsal coronary, on the other side same thing, but on the other side is right dorsal coronary, and then we have left ventral coronary, and on the other side we have a right ventral coronary. This right and left dorsal coronary and right and left ventral coronary divides the dorsal ruminal sac and ventral ruminal sac. The most caudal part is the caudodorsal blind sac, and this is caudoventral blind sac, meaning you can divide the rumen into a dorsal ruminal sac and ventral ruminal sac. The most cranial part of the dorsal ruminal sac is ruminal atrium. The most cranial part of the ventral ruminal sac is ruminal recess. The most caudal part of the dorsal ruminal sac is caudodorsal blind sac, and the most caudal part of the ventral ruminal sac is caudoventral blind sac. Okay, then we go from the rumen to the reticulum. It's actually not in a correct position, it should be more ventral. So we go to reticulum, and then I will go to the other side to show you the rest of the stomach. So we are on the right side now. So here is reticulum, and then it goes from the reticulum to the omasum, and then it goes to the abomasum. So the abomasum is the only glandular part of the stomach, and it really has a structure like a simple stomach. So fundus, body, and pyloric region, and it ends at the pylorus, which is the pyloric sphincter, and from the pyloric sphincter we go to the duodenum. See you next video.